I'm used to dealing with senioritis and I guess junioritis too when it comes down to April and May, because we get out in May. So I like to use Everfi. So 11th grade, I teach finance. So I like to use a lot of the lessons in financial literacy. We use Venture. And then our culminating project, I have someone who actually owns a food truck. This is our second year doing it. They come in, they teach 4 lessons. So I did develop what I wanted them to teach, but it's nice to have an outsider and someone coming in to kind of take that over. And they teach pricing, marketing. They look at the portfolios and they pick the one not necessarily with the best recipe, but the best business plan and that overall marketing plan and business pitch. So then that person gets to actually create their food on the food truck for our seniors and for our senior team and for our administrators. We have these students feeding about 100 people